Okay.
After many years, I come back with helicopters, special for the winter, because on the winter we don't have many chances to fly drones on airplanes. Helicopter need small space and you can fly indoor. This is a new one, WLTOYS V913 V2 with brushless motors. It's a new helicopter. It's large, as you can see. It's about 69 centimeters large. Is with flybar. Is with flybar, old style helicopter. Well, very good engineering, and this is metallic. Most of are metallics. Good looking, very good looking. Here has a light. Here has a light, and the controller that use it is a typical WLTOYS controller. Very nice also controller. Full unboxing and explanation for the helicopter will be very soon. Now I'm gonna make the first test flight to see how it flies. Λίγο πήγα από το fly να το φας, λίγο από το fly. Από το fly. Αλλά μην πηγαίνεις κοντά σου. Και πήγαινε και από μπροστά. Μάτια, από μπροστά. Από μπροστά.